How to create the welcoming channel on your Discord server. So it may look like this. This is the welcoming channel, and once somebody joined, it will be visible here. So all you have to do is to click on this plus and create a new channel. Make sure the text option is marked and enter here your channel's name. So for example, the welcome now, and create a new channel. Now my new channel is created. You can grab it and move it to the top. And now click on your server's name and open server settings. On the left side, find the engagement option and scroll down until you find system messages channel. Select this option to your welcome channel. And now send a random welcome message when someone joins to the server. Enable this option. You can disable these ones if you want to, and make sure to save changes. So it should be done, and I will try that. I'm gonna add some app and we will see if it's working. So now if I check my welcoming channel, here you will see the welcoming message in this channel. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.